then ask yourself, which one is the biggest rock? Important but not urgent stuff. Do that first. Okay, focus on that. Then settle the second quadrant, the third one, and avoid the fourth. Okay, so this is the third habit. Okay, 休息咗少少應該得個嗬。I try to speed up a bit Okay, habit number 4, think win-win. Think win-win is like both sides is winning Let me share you another story of mine. Okay, the last year of university is like 2007. Okay, I was a final student. I have a cousin. He was primary school like standard 3. He's very good in chess, but he couldn't beat me. Okay, I'm not good in chess, but you know, IQ level is different because he's uni student versus compete with the primary school student. So I beat him every time. One day, okay, he just won a trophy, national champion in Petaling district. National champion for that district. Okay, so that day after he get the award, coincidentally I'm at home. Okay, I was at home. He said, 兩個講，我今日同你死過，咁嚴重。Okay, he grabbed his trophy put on table and set up the chest. 多數。Okay, 嚟啦。Okay, that time when he started playing, right, he asked almost all the family members come near to us, witness the historical moment. He said, today I'm going to beat him. Okay, I was like, okay. Then halfway, everyone cheers for him, you know. 我講話以前唔得，唔可以冇面嘅。Then that match I actually 剝光豬means I clear off every little things he has，剩翻個豬肉，剩翻呢嚿嘢啫。Okay, then it's a very bad day for him. That day onwards, he didn't pursue his chess playing career. He stopped playing. I feel bad. I feel very, very bad. That day, what I actually achieved is I win the match by losing my cousin's interest in Chinese chess. It's a good thing? No, it's definitely not a good incident. What I should do is I should pretend to lose so that let him feel the winning, the feelings, make him confidence. And entire life, right? These kids, they have a different way of thinking, and I believe until today, right? I still feel bad, right? So you have 4 choices in every news. Both sides is losing side, or the second one, you lose to win. Avoid these two, and try to achieve win-win situations. This is what we should do in every time when we deal with someone, and if you have a choice to make both sides benefits. Okay, so next thing is seek first to understand, then to be understood. Okay, one of the most sincere form of respect is actually listening to what another has to say. It's a human instinct, you know. People like to have the feeling that I feel important. Someone is paying attention on what I'm talking. Same goes to this guy. Okay, every morning she tried to make sound when she used to wake up earlier than us. Okay, she's like wow, wow, wow until we wake up. Okay, then we look at her. She starts smiling. Then when she talk, right, she try to make sound Okay, we try to respond. Look at her, respond. She feel very happy, and we move away. When we move away, right, she goes back to the sound. Wow, wow, until she cried, or until someone attend her. It's a human instinct. When you want to grab someone's heart, pay attention to what they say. Okay, listening is one of the biggest obstacle for all the sales person in this industry, in every industry I would say. Okay, so from today onwards, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Understand what people are trying to say, then let them understood. Okay, so habit number 6, synergy. Okay, teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success and unsuccess. Okay, I attend a course that worth 3,000 something. Okay, is there's a trainer came from US all the way that train all the engineers in my company. Okay, they categorize our brain have 4 quadrants. You have 4 preferences of thinking: blue color, green color, yellow, and red. Okay, blue color is left brainer, blue and green is left brainer lah. Okay, just that different preference, thinking preference. Just like our muscle, we have a preference, like we are left-hander or right-hander. Okay, different people, different thinking preference. You will have different skill set. You can achieve better result if you know how to synergize. Not just 1 + 1 = 2. You can be greater than 2. Okay, so besides let me slightly explain this chart. Okay, how to know which quadrant you are. Okay, answer these few questions. Do you have a working desk? Anyone have your working desk at home? Okay, you have a working desk, right? Okay. If you have a family photo on your desk or something that related to your religions on your desk, okay, then you are falling in these quadrants. Okay, red color. Feelings. In your cars, do you have something like your family photos or something related to religions? If you have, then you are falling into red color. Okay, second. Okay, now, if you have a drawer at your home, okay, let's say your working desk or your closet, anything, you are here now. Can you answer me what are the things that are inside your first drawer? If you know it, then means that you are an organized person. Then you are falling into green color. Okay， 好，这样厉害。第一个抽屉放什么？
铅笔盒。
第二个呢？
我一个抽屉不了。
Yellow color, yellow color people has a very obvious behavior. Is that he always bought the wrong stuff. Okay. Do you ever experience that you bought a furniture for your house or for your room? When you brought it back to your room, it cannot fit in. No?
Hack the wall.
Huh? There is an engineer, my company lah. Okay, ex-colleague. He want to buy a car for him to drive from his house to play golf. Okay. At the end, he bought an Audi TT. Okay. Only that he find out, my golf set is not. Okay. Then I asked him what happened to you, man. He's wasting your money. He bought cash at that time. He's staying in San Jose. It's a second-hand car, by the way. So I asked him what happened. I walked into the second-hand car, those second-hand car shops. Then the fella start asking me, what you want to buy? Car. Then so what's your job? Okay, I'm doing this. Okay, then your income suitable to buy this. Okay, so he always focus on goal. Okay, but not the process. I'm falling into yellow color. I focus on goal, but when every time when Dave and Wayne ask me, so what to do now? Zero. Okay, so this is yellow color. Steve Jobs, yellow color, very strong. If you read his book, right, the very first instruction that he give to his engineering team, called Team Cook. Okay, leaders is the time leader is the engineering department leaders is Team Cook. Design something that make me attached to that electronics device. Every day I would like to play with it, and I cannot live without it. Then here comes iPod. Okay. Tim Cook is falling into green color. Blue color is very sensitive to numbers. Okay, every time they tell you, "呢個好賺錢嘅, show me the number. Like this very cheap, show me the number." And blue color people never buy wrong stuff. They will measure every little thing before they buy. Okay. My wife is blue color. Okay, how to find a good partner for yourself? If you are green color, find the diagonal one. Okay, you have to work with the other side so that you can synergize. They can do what you can't do. They can think what you cannot think of. Okay, this is synergy. So a best team, right? You must have people from different quadrants. And one more thing. This is very rare case. Happen in 1 out of 1,000 people. You will have a balanced thinking preference. Means if you do the test that worth 1,000 ringgit, if you do the test, the result is squarish. Everything is balanced. In my life, I have 2 friends. I observe the behavior. They are balanced for all 4 quadrants. One is my ex-manager, Lai Tiam Sin. He is now own a company in Penang electronics industry. And the other friend is Dave Chong. Okay. Yeah, 我知道你4个都有了。
这样厉害。
Yeah. Okay. In short, this is fact, form, feeling, future. Okay. Depends on what you are focusing. So this is synergy. Okay. Habit number 7: sharpen the saw. There's an old story that people keep on repeating again and again. It's like there's 2 people. Okay. One guy keep chopping tree. The other guy sharpening the saw. Sharpening the axe before he chop every day. So which one produce a better result? Second one, right? Besides the tool, what you need to sharpen is actually yourself. Take care of yourself. Âu Yong Zhen recently he just what's the drama called? There's a latest drama in okay, something like that. Okay. After the drama, the very last episode he shoot, he collapsed. Sent into hospital, hospitalized for 4 days, ICU 2 days. Okay, and they find that most of the internal organs are 60% malfunction. Because in that 3 months, when he earning a big money, okay, every day he sleep around 2 to 3 hours. That is quite success in his career. But what happened to him now? So after that incident, he slowed down all the jobs, okay, and he now realized that those things here is very important. You must have a very strong body, okay, heart, soul, and mind to continue a very far journey. It's okay if you can sprint faster than me, but life is a marathon. Life is a marathon race. You don't need to go fast. What you need to do is go far. This is your planning. So, finally, can you foresee their future? There's one people have these 7 habits. Be proactive, begin with the end in mind, put first thing first, think win-win, seek first to understand and to be understood, synergize, sharpen the saw, versus the other guy reactive, no goals to aim, never prioritize, think win-lose, never listen, no teamwork, keep working hard. Let's say they are your friends. They are your friends here. 5 years later, who will have a better life? Blue or red? Blue, okay. Which one will double his income every year? Blue. We all know the answer. Now the choice is in your hand. Whether to be a blue guy or the red guy is up to you. Thank you very much.